What's up everyone, my name is Philip, and in this video I'm showing you guys how to change out the front turn signal bulbs of a 2021 and up Kia Sorento, the latest generation. Right off the bat, I love the way Kia did it. The connectors are actually integrated into the bulb socket, so all you're literally doing is just twisting the bulb socket, pulling it out, replacing your bulb, putting it back in, and locking it into place, and that's it. There's no harness to be messed with. The bulb used is an 1157 amber. I highly recommend, if you're switching to LED, to use a LED bulb with a built-in resistor. Looking at the harness, not really too sure how I would install an external resistor, so that's why I mentioned that. I actually didn't replace the bulb with an LED because my wife doesn't like the hyper flashing, because they do hyper flash if you leave it on too long, so food for thought. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. Like and subscribe if you want. Comment any questions you have. Be safe out there. Thank you.